Hey guys, Max here, and today we're gonna go look at baby bird. I might also take some pictures because he's so cute. It's not our pet. I'm going outside. It's a nest. I'm gonna go. Yeah, I have a I have a hole in my sock. No, we're gonna go look at this bird. We'll be there in a minute. Sorry I haven't uploaded. I've just been really bored and don't know what to do. But that bird kind of gave me some content. My shadow. There's someone walking their dog. I'm just gonna act cool. Just walk. Okay. He walked a different direction. Thank God. I don't want to embarrass myself, so. Let's go. Ow, 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 ow. I hurt my leg like a few days ago, and it hurts to run. Bugs. Go away. Ew. That bug looked weird. When I touched it, it like flew at the speed of light. Now I gotta go through this. I'm using a piece of rope, but that only lasts like right there. Well, I guess this is a under Jude's deck tour, perfect for landslides. But it probably won't happen because there's a deck up here, and we're learning about landslides. And water breaks the soil and makes it easier, and that'll cause a landslide when all the rocks fall. Okay, enough education. I just realized I might have to do a little rock slide just to get to the bird. Oh God. Oh, I want to go. See that nest right there? That's where we're going to be going. I hope Mom watches this, because I was trying to explain to her where I hit it. So, Mom, if you're watching this, I was right here. I slid, and I hit it right there. Okay, let's just go to the bird. That's what the video's about. I'm just glad I'm uploading. Okay, now we are up. I just have to climb that. We're still there. Cute little baby. Oh wait, it's actually scrolled in a lot. I wish I hope you guys can see it good. I don't want you guys not getting a good view. Look at that cute little baby. I'm not touching him because he's probably really dirty and weird. He's not weird. We named him Cherry Beaky. He's so cute. He's the most adorable baby in the world. Well, when he's awake, he's adorable when he's awake, and you may think he's ugly, but he's not ugly. He looks cute. That's a baby Robin. Robin the bank. But yeah. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna take some pics to send to my mother. Wait, let me just. Okay, see ya.